Low float VEEE stock is up 157%. As you can see, the company reported better than expected earnings. We can see an intraday high of $8.42. Let's see now. Revenue of $3.6 million, a 91.7% sequential increase from the fourth quarter of 2024 compared to guidance of 50%. Gross margin of 14.9%, an improvement of 961 basis points from the first quarter of 2024. Adjusted net loss averaged $333,000 per month during the quarter, an improvement of 17% over the previously adjusted net loss of $400,000 per month. The company's new dealer network is expanding Twin V's brand presence and global footprint. Yeah, that's amongst other things what is behind this huge spike. Low float as well. Let's see. Yeah, an underlying trend is a bearish one. The stock is in a strong bearish trend. I don't think this is going to really change anything, but it's looking like the 200-day moving average is actually changed as a result of this huge spike. Oh, okay, interesting stuff. Okay, so but as usual, this is the daily chart. As usual, not rather, I wouldn't say as usual. It wouldn't be unusual to expect a contraction. It wouldn't be unusual to expect a contraction. So what is expected of what is expected in the coming days? As a matter of fact, for what is left of the entirety of May and up till the middle of June is a pullback and then consolidation right around. It's better to consolidate within let's say 4.37 and 5.7. This is the range that is expected. However, this is an extrapolation, and it's an extrapolation of the price. It is highly unstable. Highly unstable. You can't rely on this. You can't rely on this. So let's quickly go on and go up and have a look at the 4-hour chart and see what we have here. On the 4-hour chart, same as well. Same, we have a contraction. So this is expected to last up till the 19th of May. As a matter of fact, it could be longer because our extrapolations are we're extrapolating for the next 30 trading. No, this will be for the next 30 points. This will be you do the maths. 30, that will be a couple of days. This is up to 19th of May. So this is up to what? 19th of May is roughly it's roughly 11 trading sessions. Yeah, or 12 trading sessions. Yes. So let's see now. Let's see whether we can get projections. We didn't look at the projections on the daily chart. We have no upper projections here. We have 3.22 downward projection, 3.67 downward projection, 3.94 downward projection. It will be good to have a look at the projections on the daily chart. Let's go down and have a look. Yeah, let's see what we have here. There are no upper projections. It's 5.57. Let me just confirm. Yeah, 5.57. It's not an upper projection, but since we don't have any, we could just have a look at what has happened in this chart, and we could try and get something out. Let's see now. Let's see. We can take 8.42 and then take yeah. Okay, this is the current price. We can take this 8.42 and take 5.54. We'll be looking for an extremely that will be a really ambitious upper projection, and we'll be looking at. Okay, yeah, we could do that. 8.42 and 5.4 5.54. That will give us 3 minus 6. No, is it 3 minus 0.8? So that will give us yeah, is that what it's going to give us? Yeah, 3.3 minus 0. 8. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's taking time. So that will be 3. Okay. 2.2. No, minus 0. 3 minus 0.080. Okay, 2.2. So the difference we're looking for is 2.92. Multiply that by 1.618. We have 4.72. Add that to the current price of 6.75. We are really looking for trouble here. 11.47. That is really ambitious. Really ambitious. I mean, okay, well, you could say it has printed 8.42. I mean, it's not really out of place to think that this can possibly print. It doesn't really fall that way, but we could give it a try anyway. We have VEEE. If you don't mind, I'm writing it down so that I have to refer to it next time. 11.47. So we had 2.92 multiplied by 2.618. We have 7.64 plus 6.68. We have 14.32. And we have 2.92 multiplied by 3.618. Add that to the current price of 6.71. That will give us 17.27. Really ambitious. 17.27. Yeah, highly ambitious. Highly ambitious. But it's a low float stock. Some you don't never know what's going to happen. They could decide to come and pump it a bit more. You never know. You never know. Oh, they could decide. They could decide to stock up a war chest of Bitcoin. They could decide to do that, and this is you'll be talking about prices way more than what I've just projected now. You'll be talking about something like that. Let's see now. Those sort of prices, they're not. This is the daily chart. It hasn't the probability of them printing is not there at all. Hasn't done anything of such. Not. Let me have a look. Let me see how far we can go. It hasn't done anything of this sort. No, it hasn't really done. Yeah, okay. Um, we're in May now. So let's see, May. Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, indeed. Some of them can print. Some of them have that. It's not they can print, but it has printed. But the probability of them printing is up way, 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 way remote, way remote, way, way, way remote. But it is. It doesn't. It does has nothing, no bearing. The probability of them printing, or even though statistically very remote, but it does not stop them from printing anyway. So and you can even see. Am I sure? Am I okay? Yeah, 53.1 million shares have crossed the tape. Yes, I was going to. Yeah. So yeah, really ambitious projections. We just obtained now 11.47, 14.32, 17.27. None of them highly not none of them likely to print. But as I just pointed out, Bitcoin or crypto assets, these assets, they can, if a company decides to pivot in that direction. And given the fact that we have the U.S. administration that is positively disposed towards crypto assets, if they come up with such innovations, that they want to stock up stock up in a treasury of Bitcoin, crypto assets, we could see you could see a volatility expansion occurring. You have seen that with a couple of stocks of radio. So never say never, never say never. And it's a low float stock and all that. So, but this is not to say that this is what's going to happen. Extrapolations we have here is to the downside. Nothing. This downward, and yet this downward extrapolations is that there's also no guarantee that they will happen at all. Absolutely none at all. It's the extrapolation is also counter to our own extrapolation of our own projections of prices towards 17.27. So just be careful out there. Twin V is on the move in this session. Has printed an intraday high of 8.42, low float stock, and it's really good, really good. Okay, but just be careful, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.